Tactical Review, the MCG Predator Laser Sight. Hello fellow defense enthusiasts. Today we'll be reviewing the MCG Predator Laser Sight. If you decide you want one for yourself or a loved one, or just want to know more, click on the link in the description to go directly to the official website. Now, let's get started. In the dynamic world of tactical shooting and home defense, the quest for gear that not only enhances performance but also ensures precision and speed is unending. Enter the MCG Predator Laser Sight, a game changer in the realm of tactical accessories. This review delves into the features, benefits, and overall performance of the Predator Laser, shedding light on why it's becoming an indispensable tool for shooters of all calibers. Locked, loaded, and lighting fast. The Predator Laser Sight is all about speed and accuracy. It's designed to snap to targets with lightning-fast precision, a critical advantage whether you're in a high-stakes tactical situation or simply honing your skills at the range. What's more, it caters to shooters across the board, glasses or no glasses, ensuring that vision impairments don't hinder your performance. Universal compatibility. One of the standout features of the Predator is its universal fit. Whether your firearm sports a Picatinny, Weaver, or Mil STD 1913 rail, this laser sight locks in securely, ready for action. The ambidextrous on-off switch enhances its user-friendly nature, ensuring quick deployment regardless of which hand you favor. Durability meets precision. Crafted from rock-solid aircraft aluminum, the Predator doesn't just boast a lightweight profile, it's built to endure the toughest conditions, from freezing cold to scorching heat. The inclusion of a stealth pressure switch, especially ideal for carbines and rifles, underscores its tactical utility, making it a versatile ally in any scenario. Brightest beam for supreme accuracy. Operating within the legal limits yet maximizing the potential, the Predator's red laser is the brightest allowed by law, offering over 300 yards of visibility. This feature is instrumental in doubling both the speed and accuracy of your shots, providing immediate feedback on where your bullet will strike. A true tactical advantage. The Predator's advantages don't stop at precision and speed. Its design and functionality enhance situational awareness, allowing shooters to maintain a broader field of view and stay alert to their surroundings. This increased awareness is crucial, not just for tactical superiority but also for home defense scenarios where understanding your environment is key. Proven performance across the board. Field testing and user feedback have solidified the Predator's reputation as a force multiplier. It's proven to double shooting speed and accuracy by leveraging the instinctive power of your eyes to focus on the target. This means quicker target acquisition and a significant improvement in shooting techniques, such as trigger control and breath management. Versatility unmatched. The true compatible laser system of the Predator underscores its versatility, offering seamless compatibility with a wide range of firearms, from handguns to shotguns. This inclusivity means that whether you're wielding a Glock, Sig Sauer, or any firearm in between, the Predator is ready to elevate your shooting experience. In high demand. Given its exceptional features and the low price point, it's no surprise that the Predator Laser Sight is in high demand. It's arguably pound for pound the best laser sight available to civilians, balancing performance, durability, and versatility like no other. What's in the box? The Predator package is comprehensive, including the laser sight itself, a remote pressure switch for ease of use, 2 sets of batteries for longevity, and the necessary wrenches for mounting and adjustments. This ready-to-use setup ensures you can enhance your tactical or home defense capabilities right out of the box. Final thoughts. The MCG Predator Laser Sight stands out as a pinnacle of tactical gear, offering unparalleled speed, accuracy, and versatility. For shooters looking to gain a tactical edge or enhance their home defense setup, the Predator offers a compelling blend of features and performance. With its robust construction, universal compatibility, and the brightest laser allowed by law, the Predator Laser Sight is a stellar addition to any firearm, promising to transform your shooting experience.